There is no reason for us to be OSHA certified safety experts to be able to assess an environment for whether or not there might be some impediments to safety, including outdoors of your residential care facility for the elderly. That could include uneven concrete, or in some cases even stairs, just one or two. In some cases, it's not just a matter of the resident not being able to lift their feet significantly so they can go step to step, but even having the required cognition to remember that that step is there and being able to recognize it intellectually so that they can promote their own safety. And in those situations, we've got to be proactive, initiative taking, and make sure that we are available to assist them as need be. Remember, accident response, okay. Accident prevention, significantly better.